Hi, this is Brian Troop from Gravity IT Solutions, and I wanted to show you a quick PowerPoint tip. When you're working with PowerPoint presentations and your file is starting to get large, there's a couple of things you can do in there, and one of those things you can do if you have pictures in your presentation is compressing those pictures. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm looking at this file right now that we have a presentation. It's about 218 megabytes. So we're going to go ahead and open up this presentation, and I'm going to show you how to compress the pictures. So I've got this file open now, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to go File, Save As. I'm going to go to More Options, and the first thing I can do is down here is I have Tools, and what I can do is compress pictures. Then it's going to give me some options. So if there's any pictures that have been cropped, it will cut off the outside of those, and then I can compress it to a certain resolution depending on what I'm trying to do. So let's say, this is going to be shown on a projector, so I'm going to switch to 150 dpi, which should be fine for screen. And in general projectors, again, I can go to higher levels. I don't need to do the highest quality, definitely not. You know what, and just for kicks, let's actually work our way backwards. So I'm going to do the 330 dpi. We'll go ahead and delete any crop pictures. If you see this box checked, it's because you've selected a specific picture, but this is doing all the pictures in the document. So I'm going to go ahead and do OK, and then it's going to process this change. So it may take a moment depending on how many pictures are in the presentation. And then I'm going to go ahead and save this, and I'm going to overwrite the existing document. I'm also getting some issues with fonts. And so those are fonts that it doesn't have. And check out our other video about how to embed fonts that explains this issue. So I've just got to click OK for that. Alright, so now I've saved this, and I'm going to go ahead and close this out so we can see that reduced from 218 megabytes to 64 megabytes. So that significantly reduced the file size of this, which again might make it easier to email to somebody or send it another way. And you generally aren't going to lose quality on those image changes and things like that. So that's how you can compress the images in a file. And again, these are some of the images that were included in that. So they're still there, and they're going to look fine on the screen. So we've just saved a lot of space there. Alright, that's what I wanted to show you in this video. So check out our other videos if you like that content.